out this morning in chatting with our producer that we have a very weird thing in common. I think we're going to watch a clip of it. You lost something on the television show? Your show, The Talk?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Come on.
Do you remember what you lost? Let's watch, shall we?
Come on.
Is that what I think that is?
Are you all right?
My tooth's falling out.
Oh my God.
No, is it?
Oh, no problem. It's on one of those. What
It's
is
a
it?
veneer.
Implant.
Oh, okay,
It's an
okay.
implant.
Yeah.
And I
Gotta get
spent a
country.
bloody fortune. How can I sit here through the show?
Oh, I have it. I have it. Is it cute?
Take it out. Let's see. Let's see how it is.
No, don't show. Don't show.
It literally came out on the show.
I have to tell you, I love you so much. The exact same thing happened to me. The staff called it my pirate tooth. I had a failed root canal, right? And they put in a temporary crown or whatever it is. And I was interviewing Lawrence Fishburne and it just fell into the middle of my mouth. And I went, I pretended I was coughing and I spat the tooth into my mouth.
Did you show it?
End of his segment, I'm like, look what happened. Once you smile, you got a big hole there. So now we've glued it back in. Because better glue this time.
No, listen. The producers go to me, can't you glue it? I'm like, do you have any super glue? So we tried to super glue it back in. It wouldn't stay.
It's so embarrassing. It's so embarrassing, but that's what makes these type of shows fun, is the more real that you can keep them, right?
Of course.
Certainly the point of the talk.
It's like, listen, why pretend?
Exactly. It's so much more fun to just...
It is what
laugh
it
at
is.
yourself
It's
a
like,
little.
you're not special. Special things happen to me like they do to everybody else.
Yeah.
It's like...